We're silly. We are so silly.
That's insane.
I know, so silly. Hello, Supergirl.
One more time.
One more time. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Yeah.
You keep looking over there after. Like, are you having fun too?
Shannon does it better. What you should do is swap babies. Swap babies. That's the only way we can make this scientific. Who's the better sprinkler? Exactly.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I really liked it.
We got a baby in tears.
You trying it? Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Oh, poor me.
Oh. Okay.